So today I'm going to compare these two cordless vacuum cleaners. I'm going to let you know which one is more powerful, show you some of the details about both of them to help you decide if you want to grab one. Now, just from looking at these, they basically look the same. One does have a 3-year warranty and the other one has a 2-year warranty, if that affects your decision at all. So let me take you through them. They both weigh about the same. They both can be completely adjusted, and they both are supposed to be anti-tangle, which we're going to test out. And then as you can see, they both have rechargeable batteries, and they both can stand alone. The one to my right does last 75 minutes on a full charge, whereas this one only lasts 70 minutes, so not much of a difference there. They both do have the HEPA filter so that you're cleaning your air as you are vacuuming, and they both send replacement filters as well. And then looking at the two side by side, you can see that their canisters are relatively the same size. They do open up a little bit different. To empty this canister, they do have a little pull feature, which is super simple, and then pop it shut again. Now, if you want to take off the whole thing, you just push the buttons on the side and you can completely empty it out that way as well. There's your HEPA filter, and then it's just as easy to pop it right back on. Whereas with this vacuum cleaner, you do have to push the little button here on the front in order for that door to drop. But then again, it also has a button on the side in case you want to take the entire canister off. And again, there's that HEPA filter. Just as easy to pop that back on, just like that. They both come with their charging units that can be hung on the wall. And then as you can see, they both come with the same attachments. And then you can see the top of these vacuums are identical. There's your on and off button. They do have 3 modes, low, medium, and high. Again, on button, low, medium, and high. Now, to be able to hear them fully, I had to take my mic off, so let's test out this one. And let's hear how loud this one gets. I would definitely say this one is a little bit quieter. They both have 650 watt of brushless motor power behind them, and they both claim to have tangle-free heads on them. Now, the major difference between these two is this one over here has 60 kPa suction power, whereas this one has 55. So a little bit less on this side. So I would say those are the major differences between these two. So let's test them out. Something else I'm going to be testing out is if you have any of these area rugs, specifically the washable area rugs, you know vacuum cleaners can suck them up, making it pretty impossible to vacuum them at all. So I'm definitely going to be testing out both of these on the washable rugs to see what happens. I'm going to be starting with the 60 kPa vacuum cleaner, going on this rug and then right to my hardwood floor. So like I said, usually vacuum cleaners suck up these washable rugs. So let's test this out. I'm going on the low setting. You can see it's got a nice big LED green light here in the front, so you can really see what you're vacuuming up. You can see this vacuum has no problem on this washable rug. This is on the low setting. Let's kick it up to the medium. Again, no problem sucking this up. Let's go up to high. I can just feel the amount of suction in this vacuum. Turn it off and automatically show you how much hair is in the canister. That's how much hair it already picked up. Now we're going to go off on hardwood. Got a nice swivel head here. So everything glides and moves really nice. Again, only using the low speed, go from carpet to hardwood floor very easily. That's really nice that it does not suck up this rug. So I can go right from rug to floor. Get up. Let's go up to high here. Can fit nicely underneath my couches here. Turn it off and you can see how much hair it already picked up. I'm going to remove it, take it over the trash here and dump it out. Push this button here, and you can see. Here is the bottom of it. It does have a little bit of hair here that wrapped around it, but other than that, I love the suction of this. I'm going to go in with this V16 Pro. This is the 55 kPa suction. So let's see how well it does on this washable rug. Start this one on low as well and see how it does on the washable rug. Again, it's got the same green LED light, which makes it really nice to be able to see dirt and stuff. And as you can see, it's not picking up the washable rug here on low, so that's great. So another vacuum that you can use on these washable rugs. Again, goes under furniture so you can see. Let's kick it up to 3. Oh, there you can see. You cannot go up to level 3. This is exactly what happens. So at least with this vacuum, you cannot go up to level 3. You can only go on low or medium. That's what I was saying about these washable rugs, is a lot of vacuum cleaners suck them up, making it impossible to vacuum. Slides really nice, very easy to maneuver. You can see it easily goes from carpet to hardwood. This is a thicker rug that's not a washable rug. So it has no problem on regular rugs. There's just something about the washable rugs that are thinner. Position right back to your hardwood floor. Here's what's nice about the green light is it really shows you where the dirt and hair is. You can see all that hair. It's just pulling it right into the vacuum cleaner. There's how much hair it grabbed. Let's go take it over the trash. There we go. Just like that. So as you can see, they both did a really nice job. They're very easy to use. They move around super simple. Besides this one having a couple little differences, there's really not much between these two. So I definitely would recommend either one of them. I think you can't go wrong. These are great at picking up hair. I absolutely love the big green LED lights that's on the front of both of these. It really shows you what you need to clean. So if you're checking these out, I would definitely recommend both of these. I hope this video has helped.